Why is predicting the electrical energy output of a combined cycle power plant an important endeavor? The answer lies in the increasing demand for energy and the crucial role that such power plants play in meeting this demand. As we delve into this project, we will explore the steps involved in building a model to predict this output with the help of machine learning. To begin with, we need to understand the data we are working with. Our dataset is comprised of over 9,568 hourly average ambient readings from sensors at a power plant. These readings include variables such as temperature, ambient pressure, relative humidity, exhaust vacuum, and the net hourly electrical energy output. The first step in the process is to determine the appropriate machine learning approach for this problem and select a suitable output metric to evaluate performance. Given the continuous nature of the target variable, a regression approach seems fitting. As for the output metric, root mean squared error, commonly known as RMS, could be used as it is sensitive to large errors and hence will help us ensure that our model is accurate. Next, we need to identify potential features for our model. All the variables in our dataset, excluding the target, can be considered as features. We also need to decide on the algorithms to use. A couple of possibilities could be linear regression and random forest regression, given their effectiveness in handling regression problems. After we have our potential features and algorithms, we need to split our data to create a test set. This will help us evaluate the performance of our final model. We also need to determine a validation strategy for comparing different models. Depending on the size and characteristics of our dataset, we can opt for a fixed validation set or cross-validation. Once our validation strategy is in place, we can then use it to compare at least two different models. These models could either be different algorithms, the same algorithm with different combinations of features, or the same algorithm with different hyperparameters. The model with the best performance on the validation set will be selected as our final model. Finally, we evaluate the performance of our final model using the RMS. The lower the RMSE, the better our model is at predicting the electrical energy output of the power plant. In conclusion, our project involves a systematic process of selecting the right machine learning approach, identifying potential features and algorithms, splitting the data into test and validation sets, comparing different models, and evaluating the final model. The result is a model that can predict the electrical energy output of a combined cycle power plant, aiding in the efficient operation and planning of such facilities.